We'll call it a goat break, as the neighbor's goats have evidently broken out of their containment and are now meandering onto our property. Oh, look! The wife is going to deal with... Oh, no, she's not. She's just gonna photograph the goats.
I don't own any goats. Go home. Go home. What are you doing here? You don't live here. What's happening? Come on. Let's go find out where you live. Come on. Let's go.
Part 2. She's photographing the goats. Curious to see how this is going to play out.
Can I pet you? Yeah? Alright, let's go. That one's pregnant. I see that. Pregnant mama right there. Go home. And great, pooping right in front of my mailbox. That's nice. Go on. Go on, come on, mama. Let's go home. All right, let's go. Come on. Go on. Go on. Go home. You guys live over here. I'm trying to herd you. Do you guys herd like sheep? I don't know. Come on. Go on. I have no idea what to do. I guess we're going to the neighbor's house. We got the goats home. I'm gonna take that as a sign that we need some goats. Or better yet, some sheep. You guys know your babies around here? I'm really excited to see your babies. They're right here. You hear them talking to you? You see the two babies? Boys, hey, go away. Hey. Okay, the boys are gonna be mean to you. Probably not a good idea. Okay, we're gonna let Daisy see her babies, because I know she's interested. Let's see what happens. Yeah. You don't want to say hi either? You're too big to fly.